Hello everyone, welcome to Aman Babu tutorials, a complete solution for your study. Today in this video, we are going to write and learn 10-line essay on the dog. Number 1. Dogs are loyal and loving pets. Number 2. It is found in many colors. Number 3. It has 4 legs. Number 4. It has 2 eyes, 2 ears and a nose. Number 5. It has a bushy tail. Number 6. It likes to eat meat and bread. Number 7. It has very sharp teeth. Number 8. It runs very fast. Number 9. It guards our house from thieves. Number 10. It is a faithful and loving animal. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.